What are you doing? You know, the word says in Luke 10 and 19, it says, behold, I give you authority. A lot of translations say, behold, I give you power. So what are you doing with this great authority and power that God has given you? I want you to look at your everyday life. Look at your surroundings. Look at your family, your friends, your coworkers. Every person has something going on in their life that you have the power and authority to speak towards. You know, God has given us the power to declare a thing and it happens, to decree a thing and it happens, to speak things into existence. You know, somebody's miracle is in your mouth. You've been thinking about praying for somebody. You've been talking to somebody about their marriage or how to speak into their life towards their kids or a situation in their life. Behold, I've given you authority and a power. What are you doing with it? If you understood how powerful God has made you, if you understood how much that He loved you and everybody around you, every situation you're in, every circumstance you are in can change by the authority and the power that God has given you. You know what King David said? I'm glad that you asked. He said that he encouraged himself daily. Every day of my life, I wake up in the morning and I declare the word of the Lord over my life. I take authority over my day. I have power and dominion over my life. I speak the word of God over my wife and my children and everybody that we're associated with. With the power and authority that God has given me, I'm going to use it 100% to the highest level, to the highest measure. There is no level, there is no measure that stops God. There is no limit to God, but we limit God. I'm telling you today, my friends, walk in the power and authority that God has given you and change your atmosphere.